What up, world? It's your boy Divine D checking in with you once again. The world is watching. Hope a lot of good energy is flowing in your life, and if it's not, we're gonna do the 3 things that we do to change that. What we do, y'all, we hit Control, Alt, and Delete. Yo, we hit Control, Alt, and Delete. Control the things that's in and around your life. If the environments you in right now are not conducive to your growth, remove yourself from them. Or sometimes we gotta hit that Alt key. Choose some different alternatives, especially if the things you're doing right now are just not working. We need to choose some different alternatives. Or sometimes we got to hit delete. Delete situations, relationships, and sometimes even people. You know what? And when we hit Control, Alt, Delete, just like that old computer, y'all remember, it refreshes, it reboots, and that's what we need to do with our life sometimes. Get a refresh, a reboot on our life so we could begin to operate the way we need to operate. How y'all doing, y'all? I got my Dream Big shirt on. Yo, I like this shirt, man, because that's what we doing now. We dreaming big. We going after everything big. We ain't living no more small. We not living mediocrity. We not living, average. We not playing ourselves short no more, y'all. We dreaming big, and then we living big, y'all. That's what we doing for the rest of 2018 and for the rest of our lives. We not playing no more, y'all. We going after everything that belongs to us because, it belongs to God, so it belongs to us. And he said, ask and it shall be given. Hey, y'all, but my message for y'all is this today. I want you to erase and replace. Yup, I said it. Erase and replace. Yup. And what we say, Divine D, what we erasing and replacing? What do you want me to erase? I'm going to tell you right now everything I want you to erase. I want you to erase everything negative in your life, whether it's a story, person, situation, relationship, or whatever it is. I want you to erase it right now. I want you to stop living in that bad place. I want you to stop living in that bad memory. I want you to stop living with that bad mentality, and I want you to replace it. And I want you to replace it with good information. I want you to replace it with good people. I want you to replace it with the life that you want. Understand this. You got to go after it. You can't sit and wait on it. Understand, you got to actively seek after the things that you want in your life. And you know what? Sometimes it begins with getting rid of the old stuff. Sometimes we got to get rid of all that old bad thoughts and bad material that we've been holding on to for our whole life. Sometimes people, when they talk to you, all they talk to you is about the problems that they've been through and everything that they grew up, the bad situation they grew up in and everything else. And they hold on to that. And understand this. You know what? Our past is not our future. You know what? Our past is not our future. So you know what? We're going to leave the past in the past and erase and let it go. You know what? What happened, happened. You know what? But I'm going to make the rest of my life the best of my life, and I'm going to start replacing things that are bad in my life with good memories. I'm going to start creating the good memories in my life. I'm going to start going after the better things of life. I'm going to start putting myself in uncomfortable situations to inconvenience the current life to get to the life that I want, to get to the life that I'm going after, to get to the life that I desire. That's what I want you to do. I want you to erase and replace. You know what? Because I want to see you do good. I believe in you. I know no more trying. This ain't a trying thing. Understand this. We ain't got to try something that we already are. We ain't got to try what we already are. You already are great. You already are beautiful. You already are gorgeous. You already are smart. You already have all the abilities in the world. All you got to do is go after it and use it. And sometimes you got to erase the bad things and replace them with good things. You got to erase the bad people and replace them with good people. You got to erase the bad environments and replace them with good environments. Even if no matter where you live, no matter where you be, no matter who you hang around, whatever, you can always replace it and start going after other things. Understand this. You're not a product of an environment. You're just a product in an environment. You can remove yourself from these environments anytime you desire. You got to understand the power is within you. You know what? I tell y'all all the time, don't ask God to order your footsteps if you ain't willing to move your feet. You know what? I tell y'all that all the time. So start moving your feet to the things that you want in life. We dreaming big, remember? We dreaming big. The world is watching. Give them something to see, y'all. Give them something to see and start erasing and replacing. That's my message for y'all today. So I want you to think back right now. Go in the mirror and think back, and then go in the mirror and say, you know what? I am beautiful. I am great. Tell yourself right now, I am that now. Not I am going to be. It's not going to be, because you already are. You already are. You are no longer live in the torment of your own thoughts. We're gonna get rid of those thoughts. We're gonna get rid of that. Sometimes, you know what, we don't feel we are something. Understand this. It starts with us believing that we are something. We're not tormenting ourselves no more. We not doing that to ourselves no more. Understand that. If we want to, change the world, if we want to, be something great, if we love us, ours, and others, understand that it starts with us. So understand that, y'all, and that's my message for y'all today. You know what? We're going to erase and we're going to replace. And you know what? The world is watching. I love you. You love you. Go in that mirror and tell yourself that you love you and that you are great. And you know what? Erase everything that's bad in your life. Erase every bad situation, all those bad memories. Erase it all right now. We're not holding on to that for another minute, not another inch, not another second. We're not doing that no more. It don't start tomorrow. It don't start next week. It start right now. Start right now. So understand that. Erase it right now. Go in that mirror and tell yourself you're beautiful, you're great, and you know what? Make the rest of life the best of your life. Yo, that's my message for y'all today, man. Erase and replace and dream big. Let's live life. The world is watching. Let's give them something to see, y'all, because you already are. The world is watching. Peace.